is Samantha Brassington. I'm from Canada and I'm going to be here for 8 weeks and I've already been here for 3. You have different teams to take care of different animals, and so each team, essentially you're prepping food for the animals, feed out, which is just feeding the animals, and then cleaning, and then we also always get like special projects. So you could be scrubbing a bear pool or an enclosure or something like that. There's 2 kind of big things that I really love about here. It's meeting new people, becoming friends with so many new people from so many different places. I've never had that experience before. Also getting to know all the animals here. Like, you get on a name-to-name basis on all the animals you work with, because if you're here for long enough, you're training and then team leading, and then you get to know all the animals, and it's really cool. It's been awesome. I've been here for 3 weeks and it feels like I got here 2 days ago, and it's been amazing.